How to make text cursor easier to find. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can make your text cursor easier to find. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step that you'll need to do is head over to your search bar and search for your settings. After you're on your settings, head over to this accessibility. It's on left sidebar. Tap on accessibility and there you will see text cursor option. Tap on that and there you'll find text cursor indicator. So what you'll need to do is turn this on. You can choose a size as well and choose a color. After you've done that color, you can then change other settings if you want to. Then if you now head over to our word, there you can see that there is now an indicator indicating our text cursor. And it's basically that simple, guys. That's how you do this. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.